Short question, Class 9, Chapter 1. Name several repetitive phenomena occurring in nature which could serve as reasonable time standard. Answer. Any natural phenomena that repeats itself after exactly same time interval can be used as a measure of time. The repetitive phenomena could serve as reasonable time standard occurring in nature are as follows. Sun served as reasonable time standard because sunset and sunrise gives the information of time. Moon is also reasonable time standard because it gives the information of time. Weather, changing of weather can also give information about time. Rotation of earth on its axis, rotation of earth around the sun, oscillation of a simple pendulum. Question 2. Give drawbacks to use the period of a pendulum as a time standard. As we know that time period of a simple pendulum depends upon the length and the value of g at any place, since t equal to 2 pi l over g square root. It is clear that time period of a simple pendulum depends upon the value of g, which is different at different places. So a pendulum of same length may have different time period at different places. So period of pendulum cannot be taken as standard for measuring time. Friction. Time period of a simple pendulum changes due to air resistance. Temperature. In summer, due to increase in temperature, length of simple pendulum changes. So time period changes. Question number 3. Why do we find it useful to have two units for the amount of substance, the kilogram and the mole? It is very useful to have two units for the amount of substance. For example, kilogram and mole. If we want to consider a specific amount of mass without considering number of microscopic atoms present in it, it is useful to use kilogram because 1 kilogram of different substances contains different number of molecules. While if we want to consider a fixed number of atoms present in it, then it is useful to use mole because 1 mole of any substance contains the same number of atoms or molecules. Question number 4. Three standards measure the length of a needle with a scale on which minimum division is 1 millimeter and records as 0.2145 meter, 0.21 meter, 0.214 meter. Which record is correct and why? Answer. In these records, 0.214 meter is more correct than the other records because the least count of a scale is 1 millimeter, which can be written as 0.001 meter. So according to this figure, the student measure that type of record is correct.